It would be great to see more of the AMCAs in numbers. And certainly over at the Timmis Speedway in Mildura, they've put on some very interesting shows, shall we say, over there. But the 4 that we've got have put on a good show tonight, and certainly that previous heat that we saw showed that we don't need a massive field. But here we go with the AMCAs as we get ready for a 10-lap journey to get their job done here tonight at the Murray Machining and Sheds, Murray Bridge Speedway, and Darren McCarthy in 24. Oh, and a cloud, and that's gonna, certainly damaged the 2. I don't think he's gonna go that far with the other 2 are completely nobbled. 1 has gone. So that's a great shame for David Moore. So it's between Darren McCarthy in 24 and Frank Thierry in the V7.
Could be interesting. It has been all night between these 2.
Yeah.
I think Frank's keen to get a win over McCarthy tonight, and this could be his chance. Got 6 laps remaining in the feature event for the AMCAs. Oh, McCarthy got all sideways, lost the momentum. But in the end, booked both cars. So I think Thierry was just as impeded as much as McCarthy was, but continues to lead it. Fastest lap, 16.784 for Darren McCarthy. Thierry Quolman.
I would say that Plugger's got this one covered. Just needs to make sure that he stays where he is, that gap remaining constant, despite the fact that the 2 of them are taking different lines around this speedway. So it will be white flag next time by, and it's looking like Darren Plugger McCarthy is going to open up his season in 2022-2023 undefeated around here at Murray Bridge tonight. As we come through to get that white flag. But Frank Thierry keeping him decent. Again, Plugger out wide, chucking the back end out, putting on a good show, enjoying his speedway as he goes down the backstretch past the pit gate. And unless anything absolutely mega happens now, it is going to be 3 from 3 for Darren McCarthy. Frank Thierry second, and through for the 3rd place, keeping it home despite the fact that must be an absolute armful to take that car around here, because it took quite a bash on the opening lap. Michael Corman in the S2. There might have only been 4, but the AMCAs have certainly played their part here at Murray Bridge tonight. Results on your screen on Clay Per View. And here, trackside at Murray Bridge Speedway. Here we are with the first lap of honour feature race winner of the night, Darren McCarthy, 3 from 3. Not a huge grid of cars, but he had to do everything he knows to get these 3 wins tonight. And here he is coming past you here on turns 3 and 4. It is Darren Plugger McCarthy out of Mildura, our first AMCA feature winner of the season.